Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Ayaz. So I was doing the IGCSE 0620 past papers and the year I have selected was October-November 2022 and the variant is 21. So I will continue with the paper. Question number 15. Dinitrogen tetroxide N2O4 is converted into nitrogen dioxide NO2 in a reversible reaction. This is a reaction. N2O4 gas gives 2NO2 gas. The forward reaction is endothermic. Forward reaction endothermic means delta H will be plus in the forward direction. The backward will be exothermic automatically. Delta H will be negative on the reactant side. Which conditions give the highest computative yield of nitrogen dioxide? We want high yield of nitrogen dioxide. So the temperature must be high in this case. So automatically choice A and C is correct. B and D both are incorrect. What about the pressure? If you increase the pressure, the equilibrium will shift to the side with less number of moles. So in this case, you have to reduce the pressure. So A will be the right answer for this question. Number 16. When magnesium is heated with zinc oxide, a reaction occurs. The equation is shown. Mg plus ZnO gives MgO plus Zn. Which substance is oxidized? Magnesium has gained oxygen, so it is the one which is oxidized. So automatically choice A will be the right answer for this question. 17, the diagram shows an experiment. You have thistle funnel, conical flask, and gas syringe. We have added aqueous P from thistle funnel in conical flask containing solid Q. Whatever gas produced will be collected in the gas syringe. A small volume of aqueous P is poured onto solid Q and the tap of the funnel closed. Which pairs of substances cause the syringe to fill up with gas? HNO3 and Mg. Yes, this is correct. HNO3 when reacts with magnesium produce a gas and salt. HCl and Cu. Copper is among the least reactive metals, so it does not react. So this is not possible. H2SO4 and Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate and sulfuric acid when reacted together, they produce a gas. So this will also fill the syringe with gas. So the correct answer for this question will be C. Number 18. Ethanoic acid reacts with water to produce an acidic solution. Which row describes the roles of ethanoic acid and water in this reaction? Ethanoic is an acid, so it donates a proton. And water will be acting as a base, it will accept protons. So C will be the right answer for this question. Number 19, aqueous ammonium sulfate is made by reacting aqueous ammonia with dilute sulfuric acid. How solid ammonium sulfate obtained from the resulting solution? You simply crystallize it. So A will be the right answer in this case. 20, carbon forms two oxides, carbon monoxide, CO, and carbon dioxide, CO2. Which row describes these two oxides? CO is neutral and CO2 is acidic. So choice C will be the right answer for this question. 21. Group 2 elements show the same trends as group 1 elements. Which statement about elements in group 2 is correct? I am reading the statements. A, the melting point of barium is higher than the melting point of calcium. So according to this information, this should be the wrong statement. The melting point of calcium will be higher than barium. B, barium is more reactive than beryllium. This is the right statement because it's in parallel to group 1. The reactivity increases down the group 1 and it's also happening in group 2. So I'm reading the other statements for your convenience. Strontium would not react with oxygen. This is wrong. Strontium is below in this group, so it will definitely react with oxygen. D, magnesium is more dense than barium. Density down the group will increases. So this is also wrong statement. So only choice B will be the right one. Question number 22. Some information about properties of group 1 elements is shown. We have element lithium, sodium, potassium, and rubidium. Melting point and density is given. Potassium and rubidium, melting point is missing, and for rubidium, density is also missing. What are the values of X, Y, and Z? How are you going to solve it? We know the trend in group 1, the melting point decreases down the group. Melting point decreases. So both of these must have melting point less than this. Even rubidium must have melting point lower than potassium. So X and Y. So either B is correct or D is correct. Both A and C is incorrect. What about the value of Z? Density down the group increases. Density increases down the group. So the density will be higher. So only D will be the right answer in this case. Number 23. Which statements describe properties of transition elements? Number 1, they form colored compound. This is correct. Number 2, they have variable oxidation states. This is also correct. Number 3, they have low densities. This is wrong. Number 4, they are volatile. This is also incorrect. They are hard. They do not evaporate easily. So only 1 and 2 is correct. A will be the right answer for this question. Number 24, which statement about the extraction of aluminium by electrolysis is correct? Aluminium is extracted from its ore. Cryolite, wrong. Bauxite is used, which is the ore for aluminium. A is wrong. B, aluminium is formed at positive electrode. This is again wrong. It's produced at negative electrode. C, bauxite is used to lower the temperature of the extraction process. This is again wrong. Cryolite is used. So we are left with only D. D will be the right answer. Graphite is used for both the positive and negative electrodes. This is right. 25. Copper 2 nitrate and zinc carbonate are heated strongly in separate test tubes. Which row identifies the gases produced? So both are heated strongly. So copper 2 nitrate will produce oxygen and nitrogen dioxide. Zinc carbonate will produce carbon dioxide only. So choice A will be the right answer for this question. Question number 26. Iron from a blast furnace can be converted to steel. Which statements about steel are correct? Number 1, steel contains more carbon than iron obtained from the blast furnace. This is wrong. Number 2, steel is produced by blowing oxygen through the iron. Yes, this is correct. 3, calcium oxide is added to molten iron to remove basic oxides. No, it is used to remove acidic impurities, acidic oxides. So this is also wrong. Only 2 is correct. D will be the right answer. 27, which metal is used to galvanize steel? It's very easy. Zinc is used to galvanize steel. 28, the diagram shows a stage in the purification of dirty water. So showing the stages in the purification of dirty water. We have dirty water, then we have sand, we have fine gravel, we have pot with hose in bottom, we have coarse gravel. Which process does this apparatus show? It definitely shows filtration. D will be the right answer. 29. Which substance is polluted in polluted air, damages stonework and kills trees? It's definitely acidic oxide must be sulfur dioxide. D will be the right answer. 30. Which row explains why a high temperature and an iron catalyst are used in the manufacture of ammonia by the Haber process? High temperature is used to increase the rate of reaction, as well as catalyst also increase the rate of the reaction. So only choice B will be the right one for this question. 31. The scheme shows 4 stages in the conversion of sulfur to sulfuric acid. In which stage is the catalyst used? We have sulfur to sulfur dioxide, stage A. No. Sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide, yes, stage B. So B must be the right answer. In this one, I'm reading the other statement also for you. Stage C, conversion of sulfur trioxide into oleum. No, this is also wrong. Stage D, conversion of oleum into concentrated acid when water is added. No, we don't use catalyst here. 32. Which element has an oxide that is used as a food preservative? Sulfur dioxide is used as a food preservative. 33. Which substance gives off carbon dioxide on heating? Limestone gives carbon dioxide on heating. This is a formula of limestone, CaCO3. We'll heat it, you will get calcium oxide plus CO2. Lime is CaO. You won't get carbon dioxide. This is wrong. Lime water is CaOH twice. Slake lime also does not contain carbonate ion. 34. Which formula represents ethanol? CH3, this is wrong. This is ethane. CH2, this is ethene. This is again wrong. CH3, CH2OH. Yes, this is right. This is a formula for ethanol. D, CH3COOH. This is again wrong. This is a formula for ethanoic acid. 35. Which statement about structural isomers is correct? A, they have same structure but different reactivity. No, this is wrong. B, they have the same general formula but a different number of carbon atoms in their molecules. This is also wrong. C, they have the same structure but different relative molecular mass. This is again wrong. Structure will be different and relative molecular mass will be same. So D will be the right answer. They have different structure but same numbers of each type of atom. 36. Which formula is the same in methanol, ethanol, and propanol? These all belongs to homologous series alcohol. So they all must have same general formula. Only choice B will be the correct here. 37. Ethene reacts with water under suitable conditions. Which statement about this reaction is correct? A, the product of this reaction has an MR of 46. So what you will get when you react ethene with water? Formula of ethene is C2H4 and water is H2O. When you react this, you will get ethanol. You get ethanol. Formula for ethanol will be C2H6O. If you work out the MR for this one, we have two carbon atoms. Carbon is here and AR of carbon is 12. So 2 multiplied by 12, we'll get 24. We have 6 hydrogen atoms. We'll multiply 6 by 1. We'll get 6 here. What about oxygen? AR of oxygen, 16. We have 1 oxygen. So we'll multiply 1 by 16. We'll get 16. If you add up these, you will get 46. So A will be the right answer in this case. I'm reading the other statements for your convenience. The reaction produces two different products. Now we'll get only one product, so this is wrong. C, the reaction occurs when ethene gas is bubbled into cold water in the presence of an acidic catalyst. No, this is all again wrong. D, the reaction is a redox reaction. This is again wrong. This is not a redox reaction because the charges or the oxidation number does not change for each element here. 38. Ethanoic acid is made by reacting ethanol with acidified potassium magnate. 7. Which type of reaction occurs when ethanol reacts with acidified potassium magnate? This is oxidation. Ethanol converting into ethanoic acid, it means it's oxidation reaction. So only C will be the right answer. 13.9. Which structure represents pterylene? Pterylene contains the linkage C double bond OO. So in choice A, it does not have this linkage. Choice B also, it contains oxygen linkage. In choice C, we have this linkage. Choice C is right. I'm looking at the choice D for your convenience. Again, we don't have this linkage. So D is also incorrect. 40. The equation shows the formation of a polymer called Kevlar. So the Kevlar is produced along with the elimination of a water molecule. Which row describes Kevlar? how the polymer is formed. Is it addition polymerization or condensation polymerization? There's a loss of water molecules, so it must be condensation polymerization. So either C is correct or D is correct. Both A and B are incorrect. So type of polymer, the type of polymer is we will find out by looking at the linkage. We have amide linkage. This is amide linkage. So we have polyamide. C will be the right answer here. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my videos. Give comments for more videos. Subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon.